One question which is in the basics of VFD. How do I select a suitable VFD? This is the first step and it is the most important question. Answer to that is we need to have some information of motor and application for which we will be installing VFD. Whether we get it from the client or from the site, but it is important to know. So we have here one list which we need to check before selecting the VFD. Now the first thing we need to check is motor phases. Is the motor 3-phase or single phase? If it's single phase, then we cannot proceed. The next thing we need to know is the motor voltage. Is it 220? Is it 380? 400? 480? We need to know. Third thing is supply voltage at the site. Now as an example, let's say the motor is 380 volt and the supply voltage at the site is 220. So before installation of VFD, we need to have a step-up transformer which can supply 380 to the VFD. Next thing we need to know is the motor capacity. We need to know how much kilowatt or how much horsepower is the motor. And finally, we need to know what is the application of the motor. Is it conveyor? Is it elevator? Is it crane? Is it pump, fan, washing machine, etc. So after we know this information completely, then we can select VFD more easily, which will be price efficient also. Now here as example, I will discuss LSIS series. LSIS is a brand of LG. So first one we have is IC5 series. This is for normal duty and it's general purpose. Next we have is IG5A series. It's normal duty and general purpose, but it's coming with a wider capacity range. Next we have is S100 series. It's for normal and heavy duty application. And next to it we have H100 series, which is for fan, compressor and pump application. Any application which is related to fluid or air, that is covered by H100. And finally we have IS7 series, which is for all application. Now in this course I picked this brand LSIS, and at the field you might encounter different brand, but just know that at the core all VFDs more or less have same functions and method is also same. So once we understand one VFD, we don't need to spend too much time on other VFDs. Same logic can work fine.